In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a story with multiple pictures on Snapchat. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will pass the information on my Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone and any other Android phone, okay? Doesn't matter. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and not on Snapchat, because we will make the video on Instagram then send to Snapchat. So come on Instagram, then here you need to come on store page, okay? Come on the menu, swipe to the right and come on store page. Here you can record your video, okay, from your camera at the time that you are, or you can import the video to put the pictures and make your video, okay? In my case, I will record the video, so I will record just my table. Then to add images, you just need to click on this smile face, okay, on the third option, and swipe down until you find this option, this icon right here, these two images with a plus button. Click and select the picture that you want to put on your Snapchat story, okay? Okay, I put this one. Then you need to make this process more times, okay? Okay, I added 3 pictures right here. In this case are images, but you can add pictures. So just drag the picture to the local that you want, okay? You can also put filters if you want. You can put stickers and so on, okay? After making all this, you need to click at the top right corner on these three dots and click to save, okay? And you will save the video to your media folder, okay? You will save and you need to wait some time. After doing that, come on your Snapchat. Then you need to click on the middle button and click on this button right here, okay, by the side, this circle. Click on camera roll and select the video that you already make it. Okay, after selecting the video, you need to click on store right here and click to add, okay? You will add the snap to your story and you will allow your friends to view your Snapchat. Okay, and that's it. You make it a story with multiple pictures on Snapchat. I hope I help you how to make a story with multiple pictures on Snapchat. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.